Welcome tubers, it's me, Monica from monicastrung.com, and today we're going to give you a tutorial on how to achieve flawless skin for those 35 and older. Which is the cream-based bronzer. So I'm using a B² brush. I'm going to be using the fluffy side of it, and I'm going to apply the bronzer to anywhere that my skin would be touched by the sun. The difference between bronzer and contour is that contour creates shadows, the natural shadows of your facial structure, which dimensionalizes your face, and bronzer is what you put on to give you the sun-kissed glow that we all want to have, especially during the summer months. So as you can see, I'm applying it to the apples of my cheeks, my forehead, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my nose. I like to build with this cream-based product because it builds so smoothly and wonderfully that you can decide how sun-kissed you want to look for the day. So once you have applied your bronzer, to finish, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of illuminator. Some people call this highlight, but in mascara terms, we call it illuminator. And I'm going to be using Glow, which is the new illuminator. It is very gold and shimmery. And I'm going to use that with the other end of my B² brush to apply it to the above my cheekbones, the upper part of my cheekbones, to add a little bit of shimmer when the light hits it at the right spot. I'm going to use my finger now and go in and put it above my brow bone to give that also a little illumination. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.